I'll leave the two caps on because your filter should come with caps over the top of those connections. And so I'll leave those caps on so any fuel that comes back through the fuel filter won't come out the other end. Again, really trying to reduce the amount that I spill. Cuts down on breathing it, if nothing else. So the next step is going to be basically just pulling those hoses off one at a time and putting them on and having the right hose clamps in place and ready to go. So make sure you have your tools handy because this is something you're going to want to do quickly. Next step is, like I said, is going to remove that little retaining clip from around it, set that aside, and then I'm going to start on the front and go to the back, and I'll show you the new filter when I'm done. The new fuel filter is in, so that's looking at the driver's side tires. I work my way back underneath the car. So let's look at the new fuel filter here. You can see it's there in place with the new hose clamps. Same thing down at the motor side with the one hose with the new hose clamp and that like little vacuum hose on the side. I've got the retaining bracket already back on with the 10mm bolt. The covers are 8mm. That little bracket, the single nut that keeps that bracket on, is a 10mm. I want to emphasize a couple of things. One, you are going to get a little bit of fuel out of your lines. They won't be dry, so make sure to be doing this in a place where you have good airflow and you're not sucking gasoline fumes like crazy. It's not good for you at all. Make sure to pull the fuse on your fuel pump and run your motor until it stops. That will burn as much fuel as possible in your fuel lines. Plus, if you don't do that, the fuel in your fuel lines not only will be full, but they'll be under pressure as well. So you're going to get gas all over if you don't do that. It's really not a good idea. I had a little bit of cardboard under this to soak up any of the extra that did spill out, so I was able to clean that up really easily.